13 News Now Plus as we track this winter storm that is heading in, impacting Hampton Roads and northeast North Carolina. We're tracking the trends with temperatures. It's freezing outside. We're tracking the storm as it moves up. And we also have Layla Cox. Look at her.
Right. We've talked about wind gusts. You know, Tim has told us that those wind gusts right now, 40 to 60 miles per hour. And Layla, it looks like you're experiencing some of those gusts at the moment.
Yeah, that's right, Dana and Madison. We actually moved down to Nags Head now. We left Kill Devil Hills just to show you guys, just the trajectory of the Outer Banks and how this storm has been impacting the entirety of Dare County. We're actually not near the Outer Banks coast. We're closer to the Roanoke Sound water area. I'm just going to have our photojournalist Jaron turn over there and show you guys. You can see the snow accumulation over there in that area on the ground. The snow has been accumulating. It's been snowing at least since around 7 o'clock this morning. We've been out here since around 6 a.m. So we saw the first snowfall in this area. And if I can turn you over to the opposite side, you'll see the snow accumulating on this entire kind of patch of land we have right here. We drove through the parking lot, which was actually past the Outer Banks premium outlets. And I'm not sure if they're closed or not, but the parking lot was completely empty. The conditions are so bad. People don't even want to come out and shop today, guys. They don't even really want, not even any retail therapy at this point. But I can tell you the roads are right down here. They weren't too bad. That's because NCDOT has been salting and brining these roads. We've even seen a few trucks just on our drive up and down the road right here. But like I can say, we've been here since 6 a.m. and just seeing how the system has developed and our amazing weather team that's been tracking this system for a week now. These conditions are going to linger into tomorrow with these gusty winds continuing to pick up and these bitterly cold temperatures. So if you don't have to stay outside, please stay inside. And again, I'll just pan you guys. Whoa. I'm okay, guys. I'm panning you guys back over to the Roanoke Sound just to show you guys the snowfall and the wind gusts really picking up traction onto the ground. Even the pathways that you can see are clearly empty right now. No one wants to go over there and see those views, but I sure do, because here at 13 News Now, we're going to keep you guys up to date with how this winter storm system develops throughout the weekend. Derek Lyda will be here tonight. I'll be back tomorrow morning and then on Monday as well, just to track this system, guys. So please just stay warm if you're outside. I'm right there with you. Now, live in Outer Banks, Layla Cox, 13 News Now.
Layla, just looking at you, you can see how the snow is hitting her.
Half of you is covered in
snow, and half of her, you can see the wind is blowing that light, fluffy snow off of her. Layla, you've truly been a trooper through this entire day. We really do appreciate the hard work that you and Jaron are doing out there.
Absolutely, and we see that snow accumulation that Tim was talking about. Layla, go get warm. Thank you so much. We really are starting to see this storm take shape, especially on the Outer Banks, northeast North Carolina.